Hi guys, this is Miss Carla and today we're going to do the summary about unit number 5. It is you have to say something. Okay, so we're going to go to the main part of this unit and here we have a short dialogue among some characters. We have Ava, Lauren, Nick and Tyler. So we're going to go to the main part, right? Here we have vocabulary and it is related to housework, right? Here we have some verbs related to some chores. For example, here we have clean my bedroom, iron, do the laundry, set or clear the table, make my bed, do the vacuuming, cook meals, take out the trash, feed the dog, do the dishes, and clean the bedroom. Right? So, guys, I uploaded a video to Classroom related to this, so please watch it, okay? Okay, so here you have to match the actions here in the box with these pictures, okay? So now we are here with grammar. Please, this is very, very important, right? We have to. And as I explained to you in classes, we're going to use have to talk about some things that we need to do. They are like obligations, maybe. So we're going to use have to, okay? For example, here we have the affirmative and negative sentences. We're going to start with this, okay? Look at here. Wait a minute, we're going to go to grammar rules. And here we have affirmative. Guys, with I, you, we, you, and they, we're going to use have to, okay? Have to and the verb in the base form. That is to say, como lo digo en clase, chicos, es el verbo normal, sin ing, sin to, sin nada. Normal, normal, right? So, remember this, please. I, you, we, you, and they have to. In the case of he, she, and it, we're gonna use has to, okay? So look at here, we have subject, have to or has to, plus base form of the verb, okay? For example, here we have, I have to do a lot of things at home. Mom has to take the bus to work, right? Remember, mom is like a she, so we're gonna use has to, okay? Here we have some rules. It says we use have to express a necessity or obligation, okay? And also, we can use have to express a necessity in the present or in the future. Okay? For example, she has to get up early tomorrow. Tomorrow is future. Or you have to go home now. It's late. Okay, so please remember this. I, you, we, you, and they have to and the verb. He, she, and it has to. Okay? Guys, in the negative part, we have this. It's almost the same, but we are gonna add don't and doesn't. Okay, look at here. With I, you, we, you, and they, we're gonna use this. Do not. And the short form of it is don't. Okay? Don't have to and the verb. Chicos, el don't significa no. Es la negación, okay? So, in the case of he, she, and it, we are gonna use does not. Or in the short form, doesn't. Doesn't have to. Look at here. Do you remember that in the affirmative sentences with he, she, and it, we use has to? Okay, now we're gonna use have to also, but we have to add doesn't. ¿Ok? Chicos, el doesn't me da la negación de la tercera persona con he, she, and it. Al usar doesn't, no tengo que poner has to. Voy a usar igual have to, porque lo que cambia es esto, el doesn't. ¿Ok? So, please remember this. We have the structure, and it is subject plus do not or don't, does not or doesn't, and have to, and then the verb, right? For example, here we have some sentences. Dan and Chloe don't have to help with the shopping. Their parents usually do it. Okay, guys, in the case of the interrogative and short answers, we're gonna start always with do or does. Okay, the rule is the same. With I, you, we, you, and they, we're gonna start using do. With he, she, and it, we're gonna use does. Okay, and as we are using this auxiliary, we have to use have to in both cases, right? With he, she, and it, and we, you, they. Because here is the difference, right? We do, does, and do. Okay? That's all with this. But we have also short answers, and this is the structure. We have yes, for example, yes, I do. So with he, she, and it, we're gonna use does, and with I, you, we, and they, we're gonna use do. Okay? For example, yes, I do. Yes, he does. And in the negative form, we're gonna use no. For example, I don't. Or no, he doesn't. Okay? That is all with this. If we are talking in past, guys, we're gonna use did, replacing do or does, because did is the past form of do and does. So we're gonna start with did. Did, subject, have to, and the base form of the verb, right? Okay, we're gonna continue. We're gonna go back to this. Okay, here we have some exercises here related to don't have to, and questions. So you have to complete them. And here we have let's talk about. Here we have asking for permission. These are dialogues, so you have to complete them because they are real English. So you have to watch this short video and then complete the conversation, right? Also, we have this part that is very, very important, right? We have the compounds. We have some, any, and no. Please, guys, remember this chart, okay? Look at here. We have person, thing, and place. Persona, cosa, o lugar. And we have some, any, and no. Okay, we have different rules for this. For example, we're gonna use some just with affirmative sentences, right? We're gonna use any with questions and negative sentences, and we're gonna use no with affirmative sentences, but they have a negative meaning, right? So please be careful with this. We have some rules here. We're going to complete them. It is some. We use compounds of some in affirmative sentences, any in negative sentences and questions, and no with the affirmative form of the verb. Okay, so here we have some exercises related to this. We're going to go to the rules. They are here. And as I said before, we're going to use some with affirmative sentences, any and negative and interrogative sentences. For example, Liz isn't talking to anyone or anybody. Are you doing anything today? We have a question here, so we're going to use any. If we are talking about a thing, right? Chicos, por ejemplo, si nosotros estamos hablando de una persona, vamos a usar some. It's going to be someone or somebody. If we are talking about a thing, it's going to be something. And place, it's going to be somewhere, right? Remember, some for affirmative sentences. Any, We're going to use it with negative sentences and questions. For example, anyone or anybody, anything, and place anywhere, right? And no, no one, nobody, think, it's going to be nothing, and place nowhere. Look at here, we have some sentences. We use the compound sum in affirmative sentences. Liz is talking to someone. Estamos hablando de que Liz está hablando con alguien, con una persona. Entonces, como es una oración afirmativa, nosotros vamos a poner someone or somebody. Guys, here you can use someone or somebody and it's gonna be right, ¿ok? Cualquiera que usen va a estar bueno. Acá tenemos, por ejemplo, Liz isn't talking to anyone or anybody. Liz no está hablando. ¿Sí? Acá tenemos un isn't, que es la negación. Y acá, are you doing anything today? We're going to use anything because we are talking about a thing, and this is a question, so we're going to include any, right? Look at here. In English, we use only one negative in a sentence. In a sentence with a compound with no, we use the affirmative form of the verb. Nobody knows her. Chicos, en inglés, si yo quiero decir algo, por ejemplo, nadie la conoce, yo voy a decir nobody or no one knows her. ¿Sí? No voy a decir nobody doesn't know her. No. Por eso les decía que cuando usamos no, son oraciones afirmativas que tienen un significado negativo. Right? Here we have the compounds. In this case, we have every. And every is easier because with every, we have person, thing, and place. It's going to be everyone or everybody, everything, and everywhere. See? There's no different rules, for example, with some, any, or no. So we use compounds of every in affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Okay, look at here. We have everybody thinks I ate it. We didn't see everything in Rome. Or did you look everywhere? Chicos, la facilidad que tiene every es que solo hay que fijarse si se habla de persona, cosa o lugar. ¿Sí? No es como el otro que tiene estas reglitas. Right? So, here we have some... wait. We're gonna go back to the main contents. Okay, here we have some listening and speaking exercises. And this is a last reading and writing skills. We have some exercises related to this. You have to complete these answers. And here you have to choose the correct answer for this. So that is all with this. Please, guys, this is a writing exercise. You have to complete reading this chart with the information of this chart. And that is all with us. So please study, watch the videos related to vocabulary, and see you in classes. Thanks for watching. Bye.